Hi, I'm Steve Masano, one of the owners of Austin Canoe and Kayak, standing here at Hyde Park Quarry Lake, the site of our annual Spring Demo Days, one of the premier paddle sports events in the country. For those of you that were able to come out here and experience this great opportunity to test paddle over 70 boats, we thank you for coming out. Hope you had a great time. If you didn't have a chance to come out here, enjoy this short video clip, check out the events, and know that we'll be back out here in the fall, and we hope to see you then. Thanks, we'll see you on the water.